Okay, I'm going out for sushi. Let's do my full face together. MAC Studio Radiance to prime. This primer is super hydrating and it smells really good. Spot concealing with my favorite concealer. I'm gonna let this sit and do my brows. I don't have much time to get ready, so I'm just going to fill in my brows with some eyeshadow. Just like that. I'm gonna brush and set everything with this brow mascara. I absolutely love this. I'll quickly clean up with some concealer. Foundation, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Forever HD Skin. I haven't used it in a long time. I like to use my finger to apply the foundation and then my beauty blender to blend it in. I've forgotten how much I like this foundation. It's flawless. Using the Hourglass concealer just in the inner corners. And a little bit of my magic touch. Then I'll let the concealer sit and marinate a little bit. I'm gonna move on to contour. Using the bottom of my beauty blender, I'm gonna start blending this upwards. Okay, this is my favorite contour stick. It blends effortlessly. Just look how perfect this is. I'm gonna quickly blend my concealer. For blush, I'm using the Hourglass blush stick. It's such a pretty shade and I love how quickly it blends. Setting my under eyes and my face with the Huda Beauty loose powder. This powder gives me a filter finish. Setting my cream contour with this M Cosmetics Sculpting Powder Bronzer. I'm using this bright pink blush by Kaleidos. For eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Kaleidos. I'm going to go with this shade. And we're going to be only using one blending brush today for this. I'm going to buff that out on my crease, but we're going to gently be dragging it up for that lifted look. Just like that. Can you see the lift? Now I'm going to mix these two and dab that right on the outer corner here. I'm going to gently drag it out. Now I'm gonna clean the brush and start blending everything in together. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna dab that all over my lid. I'm gonna pinch the brush and smoke out the lower lash line. I literally am super late. I poked my eye with my mascara. I'm using the MAC Stack Micro Brush. It's such a pretty mascara though. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Huda Beauty for highlighter. My lips with my all-time favorite Morphe Bite Me lip liner. I'm gonna go with this Patrick Ta lip gloss. Look how pretty this is. How freaking good does this look? Finishing off with this Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Also just noticed I'm only wearing one earring. Anyway, this is the final look. It turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you think.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and show them my thoughts. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Suss me out and then they go. Oh, can you even let me get that close? Suss me out and then they go. Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so on my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so on my thoughts. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Suss me out and then they go. Can you even let me get that close? Suss me out and then they go. Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so on my thoughts. I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so on my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the I said